Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are testing our new DJI GoPro. The tracking doesn't seem to work for my hand, so we're just going to fake it. And we're also going to be testing out the solid wheel on the Ez-Vex. We've used it several times before, but this is the first real, I think, video we've done. I got a 240 grit here on the outside. It's been used a couple of times before, and I have a 600 grit on the back. These are hook and loop. We also have the PSA, and I have a 9 micron on the PSA. I'm not sure if we're going to use that or not. So we're going to put that on the wheel right now. And we're doing a pair of shears I haven't done before. The brand is the Leather Factory. This is one of our drop-off box shears. First I'm going to do is kind of try to measure it, see if we can kind of catch the angle easily. And we're running right around a 35 and a 35 of that as well. We like to use the wolf clamp when we do bevel edge shears. It's just a preference that I have developed when I was using the twice as sharp more often. I just like it. The clamp for the Ez-Vex works just fine, but I find this is easier to adjust, and I can just leave this alone because you adjust for salon shears and convex shears a little differently. So we're going to put this on. We got a little bit of burr already. And we're going to stop, flip over to the 600 grit. Do a quick flip over. Turn the wheel back around. Stop, turn the wheel back around. Use a little white stone to knock off a little bit of the burr. Normally I would clean these up before I sharpen them. I got sidetracked. These do have a little bit of rust spots on them. I think I'll go ahead and get out the leather wheel and buff that up a little bit. I generally want to cut a little piece of paper, towel, to make sure all the burr is indeed gone. I feel pretty smooth. I'm going to go ahead and test on some real thin fabric. And cutting the fabric real nice. And we're going to put a little dollop of oil on them. We'll be good to go. Thank you very much. Ez-Vex, DJI Mobile Osmo 2.